Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to log Instagram on iPhone. Logging Instagram adds extra security to your app, keeping your photos and messages private. So let's get started on how to log Instagram on iPhone. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now go to the Automation tab. Tap on the New Automation button. Scroll down and tap on the App option. Tap on the Choose option. Find the Instagram app from the list of installed apps. Simply tap on it to select it. After selecting Instagram, tap on the down button from the top right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the next button from the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the Create Personal Automation or New Blank Automation option. Tap on the Add Action option. Now, tap on the search bar and type Log Screen. Once it appears in the search list, tap on it. Finally, tap on the Done button at the top right corner of your screen to finish creating the automation. And this is how you can log Instagram on iPhone. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.